Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes wireless keyboard not working on Windows 11. First method is check keyboard battery. If battery is problem, you should change battery. Second method is check wireless receiver. If any problem in wireless receiver, you should change wireless receiver. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under keyboard. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility. Click Keyboard, click greater than symbol under filter keys. Turn on keyboard shortcut for filter keys and also turn on ignore repeated keystrokes. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Updated Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. If same error still exists, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Browse my computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Sixth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.